Alright, so today we are going to be doing a deep condition review. And this is going to be about the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Now, this is a bigger bottle. It's not the regular one that I normally use. And this one has avocado and Australian jojoba oil. It's paraben free, so it's the same thing as the other one. It's just the added oils in it. So we're going to see how this holds up against the other one, if it's the same or whatever the case is. So, and I believe this was only $1 more than the normal size one that is just like plain 3-Minute Miracle. So yeah, I'm going to try this out and do my decondition routine with this, and then we'll see how it works.
Ain't on the track, ain't on the track, ain't on the track. Outside of the school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, my mom got scared. I said, one little fight, my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged them to the river, up to no good. Open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight, my mom got scared. I said, she gave me my ticket, I put my Walkman on the bed, I might as well catch Philadelphia. Born and raised on the playground, is what I said most of my days. Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground. Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground, is what I said most of my days. Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground.
Hold up. Look at him. Look at him. Hello definition. Like, I hope you could see. Color definition. All I'm doing is raking this through my hair. I don't know, I usually be real lazy with deep condition, and just like slap it in big chunks, but I'm taking my time and it's looking popping, and I don't know. I don't know.
Hold up, put your ass in the air.
Tsunami.
So this is what it looked like. Conditioner all in. My hair is hella defined already, and I'm loving it. I might be able to use this for a wash and go. So yeah, I'm going to do my same thing I always do. Put my shirt in the microwave for a few seconds and wrap it up with a cap, and then sit for the 3 minutes and wait. And I'll be back to show after I rinse it out. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. You can see that I still retain some of that definition that the conditioner gave me. When I was applying it, my hair feels super duper soft. My ends feel moisturized more because my ends was feeling a little dry, like the very ends of my hair. But you can see, like, I still got a lot of definition left. You see in the back here from the conditioner, and like I said, my hair feels super duper moisturized. So I don't think, as far as the texture, the smell, all that stuff smells exactly the same as the other one. It's nothing different on that front. I think I can tell a slight difference with the added oils within the conditioner. Like I said, my hair feels really moisturized. My hair usually feels moisturized from the other 3 Minute Miracle, but it just feels soft. It did a good job detangling, even though that's not what deep conditioner is for. But I was able to maneuver my hands through my hair even after I rinsed it out, and my hair is still detangled. And I finger detangled. I didn't use any type of tools or nothing. I used my hands only. So I really like it. Honestly, it's interchangeable. One is not really better than the other, but this is just really good though. So, and it's only $1 more than the other one, because I usually go through those really fast. And then this has a pump on it instead of the squeeze thing. So pump or the squeeze thing is both okay to me. Only thing about this is when you get down to the very bottom, this little tooth thing isn't going to help you be, you know, trying to get it out like ketchup or whatever. But for the most part, I really like this. It came out really good. Like I said, my hair feels really moisturized. The ends, like the feel of my hair, the ends of my hair don't feel just with water. I feel like some type of moisture hydration on them. So yeah, like I definitely would recommend this. And this again is the Aussie Moist 3 Minute Miracle deep conditioner, and this is with avocado and jojoba oil. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, so like I said, $4 is definitely a must get, especially if you just want to get like a cheap deep conditioner or whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like it down below, subscribe, and if you're fucking with the videos, make sure you subscribe down below. Wait, did I say that already? I meant to say if you like the video, if you like it, then like it below, and then comment down below as well. And then if you fucking with the videos, then, you know, just subscribe. So that's what I'm going to say. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day.